Alright, what's up guys? This is my second tutorial and it is going to be on what you just saw, scissoring. Now, scissoring for me took a long time to grasp. I mean, I could do a decent, I was trying to show a bad example. I could catch it and just get it like that and then go forward. And that counts, but there's more to it if you want to get proficient at scissoring. And I know a lot of people struggle with it, so I'm going to do my best to explain it. So this is a tutorial for just the standard scissor that goes back into the twirl and then back forward and the end. Again, here it is. Okay. Now, I'm going to break it into two parts, the throw and the catch. And maybe with a third part would be what to do once you've caught it. So for the throw, I recommend doing a thumb roll. And a lot of people are just going to say throw a basic aerial, catch it. That does work. For me, I have a tendency to throw aerials either straight up or even slightly forward. And with scissors, I like to think of them as a big circle. So when I throw my scissor, I'm going to be thinking about using the momentum to throw backwards just a little bit. Reason being, when you catch it, it's going to then swing forward and it's going to feel more natural. So if you do it straight up, you need to use your hand to make that motion, and if you go forward, it's even less natural. So get your thumb roll and throw it so it makes a backwards motion. The whole knife does. If you want to just start with basic aerials to get just the motion down, that's fine. Do it so you catch it slightly back from where you threw it. That was too far. Okay? Once you've done that, the next step is going to be throwing it back and just catching it like this. You are literally going to throw a peace sign sideways and stick them in there. It's going to do, you're going to throw it, it's going to do one full rotation, and you're going to catch it as the handle is sticking back out. And you're going to catch it on the way up. So right there. Reason for that is catching it early or catching it at the bottom requires more movement to get the same smooth transition. This also lets you just learn to throw the aerial and catch it right here. Alright, so once you can throw it and catch it, the next thing you want to do is learn to swing up. Alright, so you throw it slightly backwards. As you're catching it, it's going to swing forward, and you are going to take your fingers, catching it like this, and move your wrist and fingers back. that. By the way, scissors are completely safe with the bite handle if you are doing them correctly. Anyway, catch it, swing up, come back forward. Don't drop it. Don't be a scrub. Get good. Okay. Once you are doing that, see, I just did it. Once you're able to do this, you're gonna work on, as you're catching it, so you're catching it here and swinging up, and that's gonna give you a split-second opportunity to replace your index with your ring finger and come back for the full twirl. And that's what's gonna give it the full scissor effect. Here that is, once again. Okay. Okay, and then if you come immediately back down into a chaplain, it's gonna look awesome. So, that's the end of the tutorial. I hope it helped you guys. Let me know if you need any more help. I will send you personal videos if you show me how you're doing. And good luck, guys. To recap, throw it back, swing up, replace finger, chaplain down. That being said, final note, guys, you do not have to scissor how other people say. I catch it right here and just go right back forward all the time. It's simply that if you can do this, it's gonna lead to a better mastery of the skill and more opportunities for you to like morph the trick into what you want to have your own style. So that's the full trick.